you know? Sometimes I wonder how we got here. A world where someone can tell me to stay away from their door just because I see things a little different. I love you, but I can't understand. You call me left, but what's wrong with right or left or anywhere in between? Why can't they just reduce it to one human family? I wasn't always like this. I've been hungry before. Hungry enough to pick nettles from the ground, just like my mum taught me. Pull from the bottom up, she said, and don't forget to check for fly eggs on the leaves. Those moments taught me more than books ever could. About gratitude, about truth, about survival, about how even the sting of a nettle can heal you if you learn how to use it.